Hi, I'm Joe from Plumbing Bros. Today we're going to give you some information on how to relight your hot water system, some information on how to isolate your hot water system, and then some tips and information on your relief valves. So this gas unit here is a gas storage hot water system. You can tell this is a gas storage system because it sits on the ground, as you can see. It also has an internal tank which sits inside the unit, and it is also constantly heating when it loses temperature. I'm going to run through how to relight this system if it ever goes out. So on the unit, you'll find a panel such as this one. You remove the panel. Then you'll find that there is 3 settings: off, pilot and on. You turn the main control onto pilot and depress that. Now with the igniter down the bottom here, you reach down and you ignite this. You'll be able to see a flame in the inside of the burner. Once that's lit, you hold your thumb down for 30 seconds while that thermocouple and pilot heat up. Once the 30 seconds are done, you let go and then turn the burner to the on position. The main burner underneath there will then light up and the unit is now lit. So another type of hot water system is your instant hot water system, such as this Bosch 10P. You can tell these differently from a storage unit because they sit on the wall such as this one, and they actually only heat the hot water when the hot water tap is turned on. Now I'll show you how to relight this in an emergency. You come over to the unit and you depress the single pilot flame and hold that down. You then move over to the ignition on the far right hand side and constantly click this. Looking into there, you'll be able to see the little pilot light. Once that pilot light is lit, you hold the button depressed for 30 seconds until it heats up. You then let go and then depress the 3 flame button, and that will activate the burner and it'll be ready to go. So if you ever need to isolate your hot water unit in case of emergency, there are 2 different types of isolation valves which may be present on your hot water unit. The first one, which is common for a storage hot water system, is these types here with a black knob. These will be located to the bottom left hand side or bottom right hand side, and it is as simple as turning it in a clockwise direction fully until it stops. The second common type for storage units also are these quarter turn valves. Now these are as simple as just turning a quarter turn and isolating the unit. So your hot water system will also have relief valves. The relief valves are designed to let pressure and temperature escape from the unit. That way it doesn't explode the actual hot water system. This one here is a hot relief valve, and as you can see, it has a temperature stick just here which senses the temperature if it gets too hot. If it does, it will release some water out of here to cool the tank down. The second is the cold relief valve just here. This will sense a high amount of pressure that enters the system and will also dump water from time to time. That's all for today in relation to hot water systems. I hope all those tips were helpful. Thanks for watching.